Hello, friends. Running Kimono here, and this is the fourth take of trying to make this video today. I have really struggled. If you've ever had one of those days, please like this video so I know I'm not alone. And if in case you missed it, I made the Dollar General clearance event video yesterday evening. I made it live. The clearance event will be celebrated on Friday the 4th, 5th, and 6th. And if that Swiffer XL is catching your attention for $5.32, this is an event you're really going to want to shop. And if you are a diehard pharmacy shopper, I really encourage you to diversify, to try out Dollar General. It's not really that hard. I do matchups and I explain how it works, and you can get a lot of stuff really cheap. You might even surprise yourself how much fun you're going to have at the clearance event. But check out the video. I will link it at the very end. Okay, so the first store that we're going to dive into is Walgreens, and this is a fabulous deal. 90% off of this Neutrogena retinol product. Special shout out to a subscriber by the name of Carrie Ann. She pointed this out to me. 90% off. Now, Carrie Ann had a $4, I had a $5 off coupon. This product is also buy one, get one 50% off. So with the $5 coupon, if I wasn't going to do it as a curbside, I would have to do it in store, and I'd have to buy two of them. It's got a quick little expiry date, so try and do this deal sooner than later. So two of them on a BOGO 50% off is $6.73. Subtracting that $5 coupon, I paid $1.73 for the two. The digital coupon, unfortunately, is no longer available to load, but if you loaded that high value coupon, you should be in business. Even to get like almost $90 of skincare for like $6, I would just roll $5 in Walgreens cash and call this a very smart deal. Is those little packs of the retinol, so that just seems absolutely glorious. And to let you guys know, if you look this up in the app and if it's ringing up for $11, for whatever goofy reason, it was doing that here as well, but then it was actually $5 or $4 and some change in store. So just be mindful of that. It's kind of weird and deceiving, but actually at the cash register, it's $4. So maybe ask for a price check. I found some more Yankee candles on clearance, and this is called Sage and Citrus. It smelled like men's 1970 deodorant from back in the day. It just had a weird scent to it. I know probably some of you are going to say, this is my favorite scent ever. I couldn't even buy it for $4.49. It just was a weird scent. It smelled a lot like deodorant. Other clearance items that you should have an eye out for, and if your store doesn't have them tagged, that's more advantageous for you, is the Pride Skittles for 49 cents. The original price point is $5.79, so that's just quite the find. I was still finding these on Monday and Tuesday at various stores. And then the Kit Kat churros, we have both the king size and the regular size for 29 cents. And ask the cashier for a price check. It might be full price at your store. Typically, either Tuesdays or Saturdays, they have markdown. So I would try and get back there on Saturday and ask for a second price check if it's still ringing up full price, And then we have these Twizzlers Peach, that specific flavor for 49 cents. So that's 90% off. When I used to eat this stuff, I would like the red one. I didn't like any of these flavored Twizzlers, but that was just me. I'm kind of weird. And then 50% off of the Lindt truffle balls. And they had a whole bunch of different flavors. If it was 59 cents, I would have grabbed all of them, but that was not the price point. And these are so nice. Such a great little treat. One item I would suggest to stock up on this week is the complete home trash bags, medium or the small ones for $1.99. So you have $3 of savings right there. Also, a really fantastic deal is these 4 packs of the Walgreens toilet paper, very comparable to Charmin, either the strong or the ultra soft, also for $1.99. Now, this deal, not doing it with any boosters, we're just looking at deals, is with the L'Oreal Elvive, 2 for $9, so you're going to grab 3 of them for $13.50. The following digital coupons that include this 3 off 2. For the third one, you're just going to get $1.50 off. It's going to reduce down that way. And then this 5 off of 3, which is a manufacturer coupon. Throwing 3 of the Lvives into a basket is $13.50. Subtracting $4.50 of IVC and the 5 off 3, you're paying $4 for the 3 shampoos or $1.33 each. That is a very good deal. I mean, for Lviv, like, if you have somebody who absolutely loves this shampoo, you could see the value in that. I don't even think you can buy one of those for that price point over at Walmart. So it's a really, really good deal. Now, one thing I do want to point out to you guys, a lot of us were scoring 99-cent Axe body wash, I think Sunday, Monday. For whatever goofy and stupid reason, that 7 off 2 digital coupon is no longer attaching to the body wash. So just be mindful of that, guys. That is a dead deal. It was working earlier this week and now it's not working anymore. So throw that into your back pocket. Here's another deal that I absolutely love. If you've ever tried these hair masks by Pantene, you know they're really great. And I love these hair masks by Pantene, an absolute favorite of mine. So they are $6 a pop this week. We have a 5 off 2 digital, and then you get back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of them. So that's a little bit of magic right there. And then just to show you the store tags. So yeah, it's just a pretty straightforward little deal right till Sunday the 5th, and you got to do this in store. And this is the digital coupon that you're going to load, which is a 5 off of 2. So 2 of them is 12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per box. And I mean, it's just an absolutely terrific deal any way that you look at it. And we're doing this without a booster. So yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you were going to use a booster like 7 back when you spend $25, you'd have to pay for the balance, just to note that. But what a great little deal. Okay, guys, so we are now at Rite Aid, and I got to tell you guys a little something. I had a run-in with a manager that was really not pleasant, and like this video if you want to hear a story time. If I get more than 1,000 likes, I'll do a story time on this, but I think I might be done with Rite Aid for a little bit because it was kind of not so friendly, what I was told. So 5 of these P&G products I purchased for just under, like, it was like $60 and some change. I had like $48 in Walgreens or bonus cash that was expiring. So I had to make a deal happen this week. The promotion with these P&G products, they're $12.99 a pop, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $30. And specifically with the Tide, I had also a bonus cash challenge of spend, I think it's like $50 or $60 and get 12 back. So I was really close for that. So that's why I had this idea. Okay, so grabbing 5 of those P&G laundry products at $64.95. I had a home mailer, which was 10 off of 40. And then I had 2 $3 coupons for the P&G, a 3 for the pods, and a 3 for the liquid. I paid $48.95 in bonus cash. I just rolled it. And then I got 20 back for the weekly promotion and then 12 back for bonus cash challenges, making it $16.95 for the 5 or $3.39 per Tide product. So as I'm trying to dwindle through my bonus cash, I think I'm going to take a nice break from Rite Aid for a bit because not a fan of my local manager anymore. Ugh. And as I said earlier, if you are a Dollar General shopper, check out this video linked right here. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.